Hi, my name is Andrew Powell, and in this video I'm just going to demonstrate the project that I talk about in my post, Introduction to the Hardware and Development Environments. Basically what we have here is the ZC702 evaluation kit, and of course on it we have the ever so important Zinc EPP, and this model is the Z7020. I believe that has the RTX FPGA on it, but of course all models have the dual core ARM Cortex A9 processor on it. In this project we'll be connecting the in this project we'll be using the first four LEDs and the left push button switch, and of course we'll be using this PMOD connector, which is just basically four LEDs. I don't think I really explained this in the post, but the four LEDs, like the first four pins of the PMOD connector, actually connect to the same pins of the first four LEDs. So if you change the LEDs on the first four LEDs here, you also change the pins here. But to start things off, I'm just going to go to the Vivado IDE, refresh the device, and of course using the Vivado IDE we program the device using the bitstream, and in the post I explain how that bitstream was generated, starting from the block design and everything. Now that that's finished, we can move on to the software development kit, the SDK, and using it we write software for the ARM processor core. And in the case of this project I only use one core, so this is basically just sequential code that runs from start to finish. So I'm just going to go ahead and run that. There it goes, and at this point the program's already loaded, and basically all this does is I hold down the push button, it turns on the LEDs. Let it go, it turns off. And I also programmed this so that such that after hitting this 5 times, like so, the program terminates. And that's basically it. In the posts, I basically go from like square one, starting with the block diagram, dropping the Zinc 7 processing system IP, and then building up everything from there. So using this should be like a good tutorial for starting from scratch and then working way up to this point. And when I mean this point, I'm talking about starting from the Vivado IDE and then moving on to the SDK so you can write software for it. But yeah, that basically concludes this demonstration video / tutorial, and that's it.